Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to fix Steam can't add or find friends. So let's get started. So if you are facing this problem with your Steam application where you can't find or add friends and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem what you can do is just simply open up your Steam, and after opening up your Steam now what you have to do is just tap on the friends option which is on the top left corner of your screen, and after tapping on that now, if it's found away, invisible or offline, then you will face this problem. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and change it to online. And after changing it to online, you should fix your problem. And after doing this, now what you can do is just tap on your profile. And after tapping on profile, now you just have to change your avatar. So it might help you to find your friend. So what you can do is just simply change your avatar by tapping on profile. So after tapping on your username, now you can access your profile. So after coming up to your profile, now you can just simply tap on edit profile and then tap on this option which is avatar. And after tapping on that, now just scroll down and then tap on see all, and you can find a bunch of avatars over here. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and select one. And after choosing your avatar, now what you can do is just scroll down and then tap on save. And after tapping on save, you should save your avatar. So after changing your avatar, now what you can do is just simply tap on privacy settings. And after tapping on privacy settings, now what you can do is just tap on my profile. So you can find this option which is my profile. So over here, now you have to check this option. So if it's on private or friends only, just change it to public. And after changing it to public, you should fix your problem. So just follow the steps and this will fix your problem. But if this does not fix your problem, then it might be because you have blocked that friend. So if you have blocked that friend, then you can't find that person's profile. So what you can do is just simply tap on your username. So after tapping on your username, now you can find the option which is block. So just come back, and then over here you will find this option which is friends. Just tap on it, and after tapping on friends, now you can just simply tap on blocked. And after tapping on blocked, now you will find all the friends that you have blocked. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and unblock that friend, and after unblocking that friend you will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Steam can't add or find friends. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.